Well, Happy New Year. Happy 2022. My power has been out since about 3 a.m. January 1st. It's, I don't even really know what time it is right now. It's somewhere close to 8 o'clock in the morning on January 2nd. My power's been out all that time. Mariah and the kids are over at her mom's house. I guess they still got power. They did as of last night. I don't have the only heat I have in my house is my wood stove, and that's barely keeping up with the house. It's 45 degrees inside. Um, I've seen the MEA guys. They came by the top of the driveway twice last night. Um, Pretty much all I did was I sat in the truck and plowed places. The wind's so bad that it was filling in the driveway. No one could get in or out in the little car. I'm just going to drive down the driveway kind of to show y'all what you can see. And this is just a crappy cell phone video, so um, her tree's breaking all night. Had a big tree, a couple trees come across the driveway yesterday that I cut up. I think the MEA guys are here again this morning, but still no luck on power. Yeah, they're still here. Can't really see too well, but the drift's pretty bad. And looks like he's leaving. I was just in the house, so I don't think I got power yet. We'll see. Can't really see, but the top of the driveway is really bad with snow drifts. See if I make another video later. Be safe out there.